Here's a very important thing that you need to realize about singing high notes. They are not actually high. They are only called high notes because your vocal cords need to vibrate faster. So it's a higher frequency sound, but it's not actually high, meaning that you need to search somewhere up there to find those notes. In fact, these notes are in the same place that any other note is, which is here. Your vocal cords vibrate, creating the sound, and the faster they vibrate, the higher frequency the sound. But it's all created equal, it's all created here. So if you're going for a high note, don't ever think of that high note as being high, because that's going to hinder your progress. It's going to make you struggle mentally about the note. You're going to get stressed out and you might not hit the note properly. You might not sing it properly because you're simply going to be too stressed out by the sheer thought that the note is high. So what we need to do is we need to change our mindset. This is a very simple idea, but it's not so easy to implement because in a live environment, when you're singing, you can always revert back to old ways. So it's important to practice this. Whenever you're practicing on your own, whenever you're just singing on your own, be aware, remind yourself every time you're going for a higher note that the note is never up, it's always in front of you. It's always in front of you and you can just grab it like this. So if there is a high note in a song, oh, you just reach out and grab it. It's not there. It's not somewhere out there. It's always in front of you, ready to be grabbed firmly and sang. Oh, the simple mind trick makes it so much easier to hit these notes. Sometimes this simple realization, this simple idea is enough to make you sing 10 times better, because it may be that it's simply a mental blockade that you've got because you're always constantly thinking about how high the note is, when in reality, it's really not. The note is here. You can grab the note. That's how you can do it. That's how you can think about it. It really changes your approach, and it can really make you a better singer simply by changing up things in your head. And so when you're going for a high note in a song, if you think of the note being here, suddenly it's not so difficult. When you think of the note being right here, ready for grabs, it's so much easier. It's so much easier, and it's such a simple concept, and yet it's not really being talked about a lot. When in reality, this is, I think, one of the most powerful mind tricks that you can play on yourself when it comes to singing that actually works. So the next time you're singing a song and you're going for that high note, just think of it being right here in front of you. I am ready to go. Hope this helps. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's more videos coming.